Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Wix site verification for Google search, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Wix account. Navigate to the dashboard of the website you want to verify. On the left-hand side, click on Settings. Scroll down to find SEO and select it. In the SEO settings menu, look for Google Search Console. Click on Verify your site. You will see several options for verification. Choose HTML tag. A box with a meta tag will appear. Copy this tag. Next, open a new tab and log into your Google Search Console account. Select the website you wish to verify or add a new property. In the property settings, find the HTML tag verification method. Paste the copied meta tag into the designated field. Once pasted, click on Verify to proceed. If the verification is successful, a confirmation message will appear. Return to your Wix site dashboard. Go back to the SEO settings under Settings. Scroll back to Google Search Console and click on it again. You can now see that your site is verified for Google Search. Make sure to regularly check your site's performance in Google Search Console. This will help you monitor your site's visibility and improve your SEO strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.